This video, I will teach you how to fix Snapchat camera not full screen. So to do that, let's head over to Snapchat. And as you can see right now, the camera is not on full screen because there's still some gaps in here and also here. There's a lot of gaps. However, this glitch right here is a glitch from Snapchat and you didn't do anything wrong. So the best thing that you can do is to just wait it out until the glitch is removed by the next updates of Snapchat. So if you've waited and there's still no improvement, then what you can do is to head over to your Play Store or App Store. It depends on what device you have. So let's head over there. Let's search for Snapchat right here. And make sure to update your Snapchat if there's an update button. But since there's only an open button, that just means that the app is already updated. Then the next thing we can do is to just reboot or restart your device by holding on the power button and then choosing the restart or reboot button. After you've rebooted your phone, then you can head over again to Snapchat. And as you can see, what we need to do next is to just wait it out again until it fixes itself on the next updates. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.